Welcome to Wellness Fuel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful way to take control of your health, right from your own backyard. Imagine having a personal pharmacy of medicinal herbs at your fingertips. That's exactly what a Medicinal Garden Kit offers. Let's explore how you can cultivate your very own natural remedy garden, save money, and boost your wellness. So, what exactly is a Medicinal Garden Kit? Think of it as a starter pack for creating a garden filled with plants that have been used for centuries to promote healing and wellness. These kits typically include seeds for a variety of medicinal herbs like chamomile for calming, peppermint for digestion, and echinacea for boosting immunity. Along with the seeds, you get detailed instructions on how to grow and care for these plants, even if you're a beginner. Why should you consider growing your own medicinal garden? First and foremost, it's cost-effective. Instead of spending money on supplements or herbal remedies, you can grow your own at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you know exactly where your herbs come from. No pesticides, no artificial fertilizers, just pure natural goodness. And let's not forget the satisfaction of harvesting your own medicine. Let's talk about some key herbs you can start growing today. First up, lavender. This fragrant herb is not just for aromatherapy, it's great for stress relief and sleep. Next, we have thyme, known for its powerful antiseptic properties, perfect for natural cleaning products or teas to boost immunity. And then there's calendula, famous for its skin healing abilities, perfect for homemade salves and creams. Lastly, don't forget lemon balm. This herb is fantastic for soothing anxiety and promoting digestion. Getting started is easier than you might think. First, pick a sunny spot in your garden or even a windowsill if you're limited on space. Next, follow the planting instructions included in your kit. Most medicinal herbs are low maintenance and thrive with just a little care. Water regularly, make sure your herbs get plenty of sunlight, and watch your garden grow. Once your herbs are ready to harvest, the possibilities are endless. You can dry them to make teas, infuse them in oils for topical treatments, or use them fresh in cooking. For example, a cup of chamomile tea can be as simple as snipping a few flowers and steeping them in hot water. Or make your own lavender oil to rub on temples for instant relaxation. These simple remedies can make a big difference in your day-to-day health. Here are a few tips to ensure your medicinal garden thrives. Always start with good quality soil. This is the foundation of your garden's success. Be careful not to overwater your herbs. Many medicinal plants prefer drier conditions. And finally, avoid the temptation to harvest too early. Patience is key to getting the most potent remedies from your garden. Creating a medicinal garden is not just about growing plants. It's about cultivating health and well-being in your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Wellness Fuel for more tips on natural living and wellness. And if you're ready to start your own medicinal garden, check out the links in the description for our recommended kits and resources. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.